Hey everyone, it's Dell with Residential Comfort Pros. Just want to jump on here and give you a short video. It's not going to be a long one, just real quick. I found something out a couple of weeks ago that I've been kind of watching. There's been talks about something changing in the HVAC industry. They finally got it passed, so I wanted to pass that information along to you guys. And what that is starting in 2028, they are predicting around mid of 2028 is to change the law on what furnace that we can put in on a change out new construction. So what that is, there anything that's at 80, they're going to want a 95% or higher efficiency furnace installed. So we're not going to be able to sell you a 90 or an 80% furnace anymore. So if you look in your furnace room and it has the metal pipe that goes up through the ceiling or out a different route, that's your 80% furnace. So the 90% furnaces and more is going to have your PVC pipe to fluing out the roof. I know it's 2028. That's some time from now. Got a couple more years. So why am I making this video? Well, we got some great promotions going on. We have a Black Friday sale coming up on the furnaces and a full system. We got rebates that you can qualify for. There's also tax credits you can qualify that's going to save you up to $2,500 in tax credits all the way to the end of the year. That's going to not be available anymore because these furnaces that we're going to be putting in the 90+% furnaces are a little bit more expensive, and also on the labor side as we got to run new flue pipes and we also got to run drain pipes since the 90% furnaces do condensate. So with the prices going up, labor are going to be a little bit more expensive to put a new furnace in. I jump on here to let you guys know that the new regulation is coming. You guys got some time, but right now is also a great time to buy because we can still get those 80% furnaces, possibly get you a rebate and save you some money. And if you want to go ahead and jump ahead of the curve, put a 90% furnace in. You can also save up some money that way with some rebates, Black Friday special, tax credits that is going to fall off the end of the year. So that's why I'm making this video an event. And I'll keep on, I'll probably make another one as we get closer as well. My goal on this channel is to inform you guys of regulations and laws that's coming on the HVAC side, the plumbing side, give you guys tips and tricks on how to maintain your HVAC system and then your plumbing system as well. So I appreciate you guys watching this quick little video. If you have any questions, drop them down below in the comment section. We'll answer those for you. And if you're looking to upgrade your furnace or want to save some money and see how we can save you money now, just give us a call or book us an appointment on our website or reach us on Facebook. Again, thank you for watching this quick video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.